Howdy, welcome back YouTube. I got an unboxing here. I think I know what it is. I'm not really sure. I think it's battery holders, but we're going to open it up and see what we got here. Because I need some more battery holders. Alright, so what do we got here? Well, plenty of bubble wrap. Thank you, China. Another sweet purchase off of eBay from China. And another bag. Well, if I could get American shippers to package this nicely, my stuff would come in better. Yay! Battery holders. Not the right ones. But, this is good. These are for my 18650s. I think I should have 10 of these. 4 or 5. Yeah, 10 of these. Okay. So next, I should expect to get in the mail some 5-volt small little 1860 charge controllers that I'll hook up to these, and I'll build my own charging station. I'm still waiting on these. I was supposed to get battery holders for these, so these are still coming in the mail. That's the only way, unfortunately, I can build a battery holder that's going to hold these, because I can't solder on the top of these batteries. They're just so darn small. When, you know, you look at this guy, I can get 2 nice little spot welds on there. Yeah, I ain't figured out how to get spot welds on these, so I just went out and bought battery holders. So, we'll check out the next unboxing. Hopefully it'll be in the mail soon. I got a bunch of little circuit boards. We're going to build a battery charging station. So, that's it for now. Thanks for checking in. Keep up. Ask any questions if you want on the 18650s. I do know a lot about the lithium ions. I've been researching this stuff for a couple of years. Subscribe, like, hit that bell icon to get notified. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your opinions, thoughts, or anything you're curious about. Thanks.